Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel MMS, where you and me, we make medicine simple. So friends, today I'm going to talk about the latest update regarding the treatment of COVID-19. The Drugs Controller General of India, that is DCGI, has granted permission for the emergency use of anti-COVID-19 therapeutic application of the drug 2-deoxy-D-glucose, also known as 2DG, which is developed by the Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences, known as INMAS, a lab of Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO, in collaboration with Dr. Reddy's Laboratory, Hyderabad. And this drug gets the approval on 8th of May 2021. So with this important note, so in this video, we are going to talk about who approved this drug, who developed it, what the clinical trial data says, how does it act, the mode of action, and how to take 2DG. So first we will talk who approved this drug. So DCGI approves this anti-COVID drug developed by DRDO for the emergency use. DCGI, which is responsible for all drug approvals in India. And see, nowadays all the drugs are approved by this process called emergency use. So in order to get approved any drug, it has to go through clinical trials known as phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3, right? So once the drug finishes all these phases, the drug is approved to use in the market, and usually it takes 10 to 12 years. But as of now, during this pandemic, we don't have that much time. So since pandemic is also an emergency situation, so the duration of all these phases of clinical trials is reduced and this drug is approved for emergency use. Now, why this drug is approved for COVID treatment, sir? Because when this drug 2-deoxy-D-glucose is given to the patients infected with COVID-19, it reduced and stopped the replication of COVID-19 virus. So after approval, let's see who developed this drug. So this drug 2-deoxy-D-glucose is developed by the DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, in its lab INMAS, Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences, in collaboration with Dr. Reddy's Laboratory, Hyderabad, right? So 2DG, also known as 2-deoxy-D-glucose, this medicine is developed by DRDO in its lab INMAS in collaboration with Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. Now we will see that what the clinical data says. So see here, phase 2 trial says that this drug is safe in COVID-19 patients with significant improvement in their recovery. Phase 2A trial conducted in 6 hospitals. Phase 2B trial, this clinical trial conducted at 11 hospitals. So phase 2 trial was conducted in 110 patients. Now see, very important, phase 3 trial. This trial gets the approval in November 2022. And this trial is conducted in 27 COVID hospitals across the India. Now see, so this slide is very important. Why? Because in this slide we are going to talk about the outcomes of phase 3 clinical trial. So the data says that this drug 2-deoxy-D-glucose, when this drug is given to COVID infected patient, this drug reduced the dependence on oxygen among moderate to severe cases of COVID-19, even in elderly patients aged 65 and above. So in these two lines, there are 3 important points. The first one is oxygen. We all know COVID damages our lungs. That's why there is fall in SpO2, oxygen saturation, and patient develops hypoxia. That's why we need to give continuous oxygen to the patient. And this drug reduces the dependence on oxygen. So one very important benefit of this drug, right? Second, this drug is tried and tested in moderate COVID cases, and all the benefits are seen there. So along with moderate cases, this drug is also beneficial in severe cases of COVID-19. Second important benefit. Now the third one. This drug is also beneficial in elderly patients, age 65 and above. So this is the third benefit of this drug, right? Now see, in terms of improvement in vital signs of one symptomatic patient who were administered with this drug 2DG, there is a difference of 2.5 days was seen compared to standard of care. Whenever one COVID-19 patient admitted to hospital, right? So this patient is given paracetamol, certain antibiotics, certain steroids, and also other medication. So this procedure is known as standard of care. So imagine when one COVID-19 patient admitted in one hospital and the treatment is given under this procedure standard of care, and this patient takes 15 days to get well, right? Now, if this drug 2-deoxy-D-glucose is also given on top of this standard of care, now this patient will take only 12.5 days. So there is decrease in rate of recovery by 2.5 days. Very important. Now see. So see here. These are the petri dishes where is coronavirus is incubated. So this is coronavirus. See here. This is coronavirus. So this is how the infection grows. Now, when these petri dishes are given with this drug 2DG, 2-deoxy-D-glucose, you can see the reduced viral load. There is no growth of COVID-19, right? That's why this drug is very effective in COVID-19 patient. So in our previous slide, we have already seen the effect of this drug 2DG, 2-deoxy-D-glucose on the growth of COVID-19. Now see here, in human cells, these old red cells are dying cells. So due to COVID infection, most of the human cells are dying. See here, right? Now, when this drug 2DG is given in the treatment of COVID-19, you can see the number of red cells, the number of dying cells are reduced. So this is the effect of 2DG, 2-deoxy-D-glucose in COVID-19 patients. So now we are going to see how does it act. Let us understand the mode of action of this drug 2-deoxy-D-glucose. So this is our drug 2-deoxy-D-glucose. This is D-glucose, the major source of energy for our body, right? Whatever we eat in the form of carbohydrate in our food, everything gets converted into D-glucose. D means D isomer. We also have L isomer, L-glucose. But since only the D-glucose works in human cells, right? That's why in hospitals, this is something very important, dextrose. When one patient feels weak, this dextrose is administered. So this 5% dextrose is nothing but D-glucose. Now see, very important. When we will see the structure of this 2-deoxy-D-glucose, right? This structure is very similar with D-glucose. The only difference is here at second position, right? Deoxy means devoid of oxygen, lack of oxygen. So on the second group, this 2-deoxy-D-glucose has only H group, whereas this D-glucose has OH group. So see here, with a very similar structure with D-glucose, this 2-deoxy-D-glucose is one very simple drug with one very prominent benefit, right? See here. So now see here, how this drug 2-deoxy-D-glucose inhibits the replication and multiplication of this virus COVID-19. So for this purpose, we are going to divide this slide into two parts. Normally we know that glucose is the major source of energy for our body, the D-glucose, right? And to transfer this glucose from blood to inside our cell, we have something very important known as GLUTs, glucose transporters. So now the glucose is inside our cells. Now see sir, with the help of this very important enzyme hexokinase, this glucose gets converted into glucose 6-phosphate. Now, again with help of this another enzyme, phosphoglucose isomerase, this glucose 6-phosphate gets converted into fructose 6-phosphate and then further pyruvate. So this process, the glycolysis and Krebs cycle, they goes on, but we are not going to discuss everything here. So see here, through this procedure there is production of ATP, the form of energy, right? Also anabolic functions are commenced, so there is proliferation of cells. So this is how our body cells utilize this glucose for the production of ATP and further anabolic functions, and this is how our cell proliferate, right? Now imagine if you are infected with COVID-19, what will happen? The COVID-19, that virus cell will also mimic the same actions, that will use this glucose for the production of ATP, and the cell will replicate, will multiply inside our body. Now if we will use this 2-deoxy-D-glucose on place of this glucose, this D-glucose, the viral cell have high affinity for this 2-deoxy-D-glucose. So this glucose is there inside our viral cell now. So again with the help of hexokinase, now this time this will form 2-deoxy-D-glucose 6-phosphate. Now the important point is here. Now this glycolysis cannot proceed beyond this limit, right? This cannot form the fructose 6-phosphate like kind of thing. So now when there is no completion of glycolysis, so obviously there is no formation of energy. So why this, our viral cell cannot replicate and multiply, right? Now when this glucose cannot be metabolized, now what will happen? This glucose will start to accumulate. So this 2-deoxy-D-glucose, this will selectively accumulate in the viral cell and will cut off the energy supply of that cell. This will inhibit the glycolysis in the viral cell and will inhibit the viral load, will reduce the viral load. So precisely now we can say that this drug 2-deoxy-D-glucose inhibits the production of glucose 6-phosphate from the glucose and inhibits the glycolysis in living cells. Very important. This drug selectively accumulates in the virus infected cells. This drug 2-deoxy-D-glucose selectively accumulates in the virus infected cells and cuts off the energy supply to the virus. Very important. Therefore, the virus cannot multiply automatically, which helps in reducing the infection in COVID-19 infected patient. So with this important note, so in the last we will talk about how it can be taken. So this drug 2-deoxy-D-glucose comes in powder form in sachets, right? And it has to be taken orally by dissolving it into water, right? So you no need to go hospital, you no need to inject this with injections. So this is one very simple drug. But remember, very important, this is for emergency use only. And every emergency drugs are always advised to be taken under medical supervision. So don't try this at home without consulting with your doctor. So thank you so much for listening, and please give your important feedback in the comment section if you like my work, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel MMS, where you and me, we make medicine simple. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay happy, study a lot.